Alright YouTube, what is up? Rohit back with another video, and today we got a POV drive with the phone because I feel like these videos for some reason do way better than the GoPro. So we are doing it with the iPhone 13. You know, I never changed because all the new iPhones are pretty much the same. But yeah, you see it's kind of cloudy today. Weather ain't the best, but we're gonna get through it. So hear that? A little bit of a whine. These people on this road today. A lot of people on the road. Oh, I got work cars with their banners on the side. Everybody's like out today, but we are outside. This traffic is terrible though. I might have to get over. I don't know if I will though. That side also has some people, but at the same time, this red car, I could have got in front, but I ain't gonna risk it. I might get here anyway, once I pass this red car. Yeah, you gotta love when you're in a bigger area. Like back home, that's not what I have to deal with, thankfully. But out here, got to. But let's see, come on, bro. All right, let's see if we can get around this person right here. I don't know if I can. Might have to. Let's see. Might have to go this way. I don't see any openings. No. Why is that guy flashing his brights? Oh, is that his hazards and he just has a broken car? Some van back there flashing their lights. I think it's just their hazards. There's no way he's flashing that way. Unless he's mad that the semi's in front of him. That's kind of funny. Alright, buddy, you need to move. I need to go. My man. Excuse me. These people are so slow. They hold up this lane like anything. Oh, here we go. Oh yeah, get over. Little poll for you guys in the morning. Yes, sir. All right, let's get over. I gotta get off this exit. But hopefully you guys are having a good one. You know, it's definitely a cloudy day today, but that ain't stopping me from bringing y'all a video. Had to. And we in sport mode right now. Just to be honest, sport mode to me, I just like it a little bit more. It feels quicker than track, and I might get some hate for that, but that's just me. I feel like sport feels a lot more smooth on the shifts and stuff. And I've heard that track mode in these newer cars is more for road courses, so that's why it feels way more limited on what you can do in track. You can't like slip as much, and sport just does it for you. But we got a bunch of people right now in front of us. Let's see if we can get around them. I don't know, honestly. They're kind of holding up the traffic right now, to be honest. Let's see if we can get around them or not. I don't know if we can right now. Once we get off this exit, hopefully one of them moves or both of them move out of the way, so I can just pass everybody. But sometimes you just don't get that chance, unfortunately. This road is bumpy. This road is so bumpy. All right, let's go ahead and hope they move. This is where you're getting. Yeah, one guy's moving. This Passat wanted to go, I think. I don't know. Maybe not. Come on, bro. Oh my God, look at these people go, bro. I need to go. But there's no space at all. Hey. I'm not letting you in. That guy was trying to come in. He ain't coming in front. Look at that. I don't know what that is, but that's kind of cool. I think it's a Alfa Romero, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know cars like that. I don't know those cars like that. I know exotics, but I don't really call a Alfa Romero an exotic, but some people might. Oh yeah, this GMC, man, you got pushed around. There we go. Listen to that whine. Listen to that whine, buddy. Oh my God, it's popping a little bit. A little bit of pops and bangs. Let's go over here. Ooh, man. Yes, sir. Oh, those pops. Those pops. Open my window a little bit. It's not that cold. Well, oh, wait, it's 40 outside. Never mind. It's cold. It's 39 outside. What? Bro, this weather was like 60 when I first started driving. That's a big drop. Gotta get over, I think. Man, everybody's holding up traffic right now. I hate it. Anyway, I'm gonna get over again. Oh, yep. Thank you for opening that up. Oh yeah, you hear those downshifts? I love that. That wine is just something else. I might open the windows a little bit. It's 39 outside, only freezing. It's way too cold outside right now. I did not expect it to be this cold today. Why are these people all in that lane? It makes no sense. Look at this. I literally have this whole open lane, but hey, I'm not gonna tell them how to drive. At least I have this lane. Always watch though, because my last experience with my Challenger when that accident happened was because I was passing and people were like waiting and then they couldn't wait anymore, so they got out. So you always gotta watch now. At least I'm watching every single person. Okay, we got a, what is this, an EV? Yeah, probably an EV, a Corwin Springfield Ford. So we got Ford here with their van. Yes, sir. But hopefully you guys are having a good one. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this content. I'm bringing back the hand POVs because of the fact that the GoPros are not doing as much as they do with these. So I feel like people like to see these better. Come on, buddy. Your EV can go faster than that. I promise you. You ain't driving your EV how it's supposed to be driven. Come on. Come on, bro. Come on. Oh my God, no. I hate people like this. They just hold up the left lane. For what? For what, bro? Move that thing out the way. You know what? I'm getting over. Yeah, what's that slow thing? Pops, yup. Your EV cannot handle that. It's scared. It's probably some old lady just like scared because it's a loud car next to her and she's just trying to drive like super slow. We got this Suburban in front. You know, Suburbans are like one of the biggest cars that I've ever like seen, other than the Escalade. Oh, he moved. I'm gonna get over that, buddy. Get in front of that EV. Nonsense. And we get the Dodge Hellcats back with the superchargers being built again in August, so that's kind of a good thing. I'm so glad they did that. Well, they had to. If they wanted to survive that company, you had to bring the V8 back. Otherwise, your company would go bankrupt, and I don't think they want to. And thankfully that the CEO of Stellantis got out of that company, because now Tim Kaniskis is in Ram, so he has some part of this also that is building those things back, because we're going to get another TRX. And I guess it's going to be faster, so it might be like a red-eye engine in a TRX. That's going to be crazy. Because I know 717 in a pickup truck doesn't sound like much, but when you go from 702, which was in the original TRX, and then you go to 700 and, I don't know, 717, I think it's the same amount as this car, literally. Only thing is it's a red-eye engine. So, I mean, they could definitely put a lot of power to a pickup truck, but you know how it is with pickup trucks. You can't, there's a certain amount of power a pickup truck can hold without, you know, having problems. Oh man, this thing sounds so good. Oh, I love the V8s. I love them so much. I'm so glad they're bringing them back, because I was sad. I was like, oh, there goes the EV. Is that the EV? No, the EV is still here. That's an Elantra. I thought that was the one that was holding up the left lane. All right, buddy. Come on, Corwin. Come on, Corwin. Ford. No, your Ford Performance, I thought. I guess. Oh, it says Dodge on it too. I can't hate on them, because there is a Corwin Dodge as well. Oh, Jesus. I'm moving out of there. I'm not waiting on you. No, sir. Oh, yep. I know what you're doing. I know, buddy. I know. Look at the RAV4. The RAV4. Oh my God, look at that thing. That thing broke. The thing is broken. That's why I hate sometimes driving on these roads. I get scared of these type of cars. Like, here's a tip for anybody who's watching this video. If you guys have a nice car, don't mess with cars that have broken parts on them, because you never know what they'll do. They don't care about their car, clearly, when you see what happened to it. I mean, they don't fix it and it's like a junker. No, don't do it. Don't risk it. That's why I just let them go. If they get angry, let them go. I'm not trying to road rage with a junker. I will with a sports car. If I see a fast car and he starts like pulling up and being annoying, well, we're gonna do something. Come on, man. But not a junker, because a junker ain't worth the time of day for any of these type of cars. Because we know it's gonna get beat, but we gotta keep our, oh my God, those pops. I love it. But we gotta keep our, you know, cool when it comes to that. But anyway, I'm about to turn right here. Oh, y'all hear the pops? I'm behind this Tesla. Those pops are sounding good today. It's because it's cold outside. You know, when it's colder, you get like more pops. Oh, y'all see the TRX? I see a TRX coming. Oh, he's at the light. Look. Y'all see that TRX? Yes, sir. Ah, those TRXs are nice too. I would have got a TRX, but the thing is, I don't want a pickup truck first. I want this first, and maybe in the future. I don't know, because I have a Challenger in mind after this car. Once I pay this off, then I'm going to get a Challenger, just because I'm going to turn it into a fast car. It's going to be a race car, basically, for the track. Or the drag strip, whatever you call it. I don't know. People call the drag strip a track sometimes, but I don't know how that works. But, yeah, we're behind a Tesla. You know, I used to hate Teslas, but then, you know, obviously Elon Musk, what he did, I like it. But the problem is now, unfortunately, Teslas are being attacked. It's crazy. It's crazy how mad people are just over a politician, bro. Sad. Y'all pathetic, though. I'm not gonna lie. Those are some pathetic people. And I'm so glad we got the V8s back, because I just annoy those people all I want. I don't care about their feelings. But, yeah, I think that's going to do it for today's little POV drive. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you made it this far, comment red Tesla, and I will like your comment. But I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'm going to catch you guys in the next video. Peace.